glazed Brussels sprouts. It's time to chow. Crispy Brussels sprouts are so popular, especially during the holiday season. And you can fry them, you can air fry them, but my favorite way to make Brussels sprouts is to actually bake them. All you need is a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper to really crisp up those things. And then I love topping my Brussels sprouts with a sticky, garlicky apple cider vinegar glaze. It's really good. And it's just like 2 steps to make this thing. It'll be done in no time. And it starts with our Brussels sprouts. So I just bought a bag of Brussels sprouts in the grocery store. I use about 1 pound at a time. And I just cut them in half, and I took the outside little leaves off. They're usually a bit brown from sitting in the grocery store. So I take my Brussels sprout, cut the bottom off, which is usually always brown, and then just peel the outside layer off and cut it in half, just like that. So I have all these cut Brussels sprouts, and I'm just gonna dump them right on a baking sheet. Spread them out with your hands. And then I'm just gonna take some olive oil, and I'm just going to give it a little zhuzh, a generous zhuzh. And then I have some black pepper. Crack it all on the top of your Brussels. And you really want salt with your Brussels. I'm always, a big advocate of not over salting things. I don't add a lot of salt to things, but Brussels sprouts, it's like French fries. You gotta have salt. So then you take your hands, or you can be, nice and neat and use a spoon. But why do that when you have your hands? And get messy, get right in there, and just toss your Brussels sprouts to make sure they're covered in olive oil. You can do this in a bowl, but I don't see the sense in dirtying another dish when you can just do it right on the baking sheet. So you're gonna pop these Brussels sprouts in the oven at 425 for about 20 minutes. You're gonna toss them halfway through to make sure they brown evenly. I'll wash my hands and then put them in the oven. So the sprouts are in the oven. They're halfway through cooking. I just tossed them. So that means that you need to start your glaze because it takes about 10 minutes to do. I have some minced garlic here. I just ran my knife through it a bunch of times to make sure it's really minced. And then I like to do this little trick. You take your knife and you just run it through the garlic like that, smash it, and that way all the juices are released and it makes sure that it's really finely minced. So I'm going to leave my garlic on my cutting board because we're not quite ready for it. And I'm going to add in to a little pot here some apple cider vinegar and also some maple syrup. Use the real stuff, it's very important in this. And when you cook this off, the apple cider vinegar is going to get nice and sticky and thick. And the maple syrup will not only sweeten things up a little bit so it's not straight vinegar, but it'll help thicken the glaze. So when you drizzle it over the Brussels sprouts, it'll be like to die for. So I'm gonna turn my burner on medium heat here, and I'm gonna just let this mixture go for about 10 to 15 minutes or so. It's going to bubble and simmer. You wanna stir it pretty often, and you're gonna watch it because it's going to go from liquid to glaze very quickly. And you wanna make sure you turn off the heat before it goes too far. So you can see that it's reduced by like 2/3, and that's what you want. Got nice and dark brown, and it started to pull away from the sides a little bit. It's going to thicken as it cools, so you don't want it to be super sticky in your pan. And I'm going to just add my raw garlic right into there, and some salt, some pepper, and then I'm just gonna take a spoon and just mix that all together. And you just wanna let it sit on the counter for a few minutes just to let it turn into more of a glaze. it's time to chow. They're so crispy. And the reason why, high heat. Bake your Brussels sprouts on high heat. Drizzle them with an apple cider vinegar glaze. And you got yourself, well, a whole meal just for me. Check it out on tastefullygrace.com. You won't regret it. Right before I attack.